Installation video of 20-inch outdoor cage ceiling fan with light plate version. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. According to your ceiling type, choose the appropriate screws to fix the circular hanging plate to ceiling. Pair the two metal cage sections together and secure them with two nuts. Repeat the above steps for the remaining two parts. Place the entire motor assembly into position and secure it with 6 screws. Secure each blade with 2 screws. Repeat the above steps for the remaining 4 parts. Choose the appropriate downrod length, 5-inch or 10-inch, based on your ceiling height. Pull out the pins at the end of the downrod. String the coupling cover onto the downrod. Unscrew 1 screw from the motor. Attach the coupling to the motor with 6 screws. Insert the downrod into the coupling. Insert the pin and pin holder back. Tighten the screws and then slide down the coupling cover. Rotate the light plate to secure it in place. Hang the fan on the circular hanging plate. Route the power cord along the downrod and secure it with the cable clips. Stick the wire clips in place based on your room wiring. Just fix the power cord according to your need. Light on. Adjust 3 color temperature: white, yellow, and nature light. Dim it darker. Dim it brighter. Wind speed level 1. Reverse. The fan will take some time to slowly stop before starting to reverse.